I stay or should I go? I wanna make it on my own. The neon lights in a bar full of smoke, 24 hours till the next show. So please tell me that you understand, and that you see it's all part of a bigger plan.
An itching, flaking scalp is not only annoying to deal, but it can also be extremely embarrassing when it results in flakes in your hair and on your shoulders. There are many drugstore shampoos that claim they can help you cure itching and flaking. But they are often contain chemicals that are too harsh for those with sensitive skin. So here are some home remedies to provide you some relief. Tea tree oil. Add 10 to 20 drops of tea tree oil to 1/2 cup of baby shampoo and use it daily. Until the condition of your scalp improves with regular use, this remedy will heal a dry, itchy scalp within a week or 2. Baking soda. Make a paste with baking soda and water and apply directly onto your scalp. Allow it to soak into your scalp for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse well with water. Banana. Mash 2 bananas and mix them together with 1 ripe avocado. Apply this mixture onto your scalp and in hair if you want. Allow to sit for 30 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Apple cider vinegar. Rinse hair and scalp with water and allow it to dry. Mix equal parts of vinegar and water and pour into a spray bottle. Apply mixture directly onto your scalp and shampoo after a few minutes. Aloe vera. Spread fresh aloe vera and get onto your scalp using your fingers. Allow it to sit for 10-15 minutes and then wash your hair with a mild shampoo.